Could you promote affiliate products without a website? Wait, what? I'm going to show you why and how you can promote affiliate products without a website in this video. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Today I want to show you why you should not build an affiliate website, especially if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing. Sounds good, right? If you're looking to build an affiliate business this year, then the first thing you need to know is you don't need a website. I'm going to show you how you can get set up with a strategy that is a lot faster than spending all the time required to build a website, so you can be earning commissions a lot quicker and more effectively. I'll show you the types of products to promote, how to make sure your account is consistently generating commissions, and where you can learn more about this type of marketing. And, like I've mentioned, without the need for a website. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. This is the place that I share what I'm doing, what I'm learning about marketing online, what I'm using to make it easier or more effective, and what I'm testing to help me and you make more money. And we do it all for free. All I ask in return is that you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the trainings. And of course, it helps with the YouTube algorithm, which means more people can get to see the training. So let's get into what I think you should do, especially if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing, which doesn't include building a website. Now, if these terms I'm using sound confusing to you, let's take a step back and first up define what affiliate marketing is. Simply put, affiliate marketing is just where you promote someone else's products in return for a commission, normally 40 to 50% of the sale price if it's an online product. Physical products, they're much less. With affiliate marketing, there's no need to create a product or a course, no need for customer support, and you just have to send people to a sales page using your specific link that you get from the product owner, and you can make commission when the people buy the product you promote. So how do you do that? How do you promote other people's products so you can consistently make money? Well, a lot of people start with a website, typically loaded with blog posts, lots of SEO tactics, and a list of products that they are promoting. For example, you could decide to promote the newish electronic massage tools, which means you would need to research the right keywords, do all the SEO tactics to get your content ranked by Google and others, which all takes time, a lot of time, but it doesn't cost a lot. So I get it. It makes sense if you're just getting started and don't have a lot of money to start out with. But there are problems with this method which most people won't tell you. Now, I'm not saying, just to be clear, that you should never build a website. Heck, I have one, which you can check out using the link in the description. I just know that if you're getting started, you've got questions about how this works, and I want to be able to answer them for you. Getting started with a website requires lots of content. Not many people can make money with just one blog post. They're writing hundreds of blog posts and releasing new content all the time. And all the content has to be researched for which long tail keywords to use, short keywords, popular and obscure keywords, titles and search terms all need to be found for each piece of content. And if you're not publishing daily, you're not going to get ranked. The goal is that you write and publish so much that eventually a few pieces get ranked, and that's likely going to need a team of people and a lot of time, which as a beginner, you don't have. Google needs all this content to trust you before they'll rank you and show it to more people. Now, instead of taking this leap of hope with Google, the method I'm going to show you shortly allows you to write content that is likely to be seen by the very people who want to see it. With a website, repeat customers are very unlikely. I mean, think about it. How many times is the same person going to come back to your website to buy a massage tool? Just think about that. Instead, I recommend a method where you build a brand that supports repeat customers. Because when we have an audience of repeat customers, you only need a fraction of the traffic that a website would need in order to make the same type of money. Now, the third issue I'd like to address is that your content doesn't last forever. Now, this is a misconception that people have about affiliate websites. They think that they put a blog out there and it'll make them money forever. But a lot can go wrong that people don't realise. For example, you might have a blog post that was doing really well, and one day it starts to get outranked by a bigger website or a business that takes all your traffic away. And frankly, at any time, anyone can outrank you. The other issue is that affiliate programs change. Commissions can be changed, like they were with Amazon a while back. New programs come out and you need new content and will need to get that content ranked all over again. So again, these are not necessarily reasons to not have an affiliate website ever. But if you are just starting out, I just don't want you to think this is the way to go from the beginning. The last issue with affiliate websites are the hidden costs. All websites and strategies have costs, even the one I'm going to recommend to you today. And yes, getting web hosting and a domain name is pretty cheap. But as you grow and get bigger, there are lots of costs that people don't mention if you want to get ranked and if you want your content to be there generating you an income for the long term, and if you want your website to be better as you grow. Things like keyword research software, website templates and themes, ads on sites like Pinterest that drive traffic to your blogs. And then you might want help writing content and doing the research. They all add up. So what's the method that I recommend you use to make money as an affiliate? Which might sound boring or old school, but it works. It's a tried and tested way to make money that works the best for affiliates. And that is to build an email list. So let's compare it to one of the affiliate website issues that I mentioned earlier. Email is not about writing multiple emails per day like you have to do with content. Instead, you can concentrate on one good email at a time that generates more sales. And since you have people on your email list, that means every time you write them an email, you're essentially retargeting them. So not only do you get to send them regular emails, but you also get to make different offers in your emails that might be of interest to them. And lastly, having an email list is the best way to protect your business from the algorithm changes or Facebook jail, which is happening more and more these days. If you have an email list, you can pivot whenever anything changes, whether it's the affiliate program you're promoting or a product changes, whatever it is, you can pivot quickly and easily and just email your list the new details. Creating an email list comes with its own challenges, I get that. So you need to ensure you're building your list in a way that isn't eating up all your commissions from your sales. You want to make sure you're selling the right products. For example, products that stack on each other that help your customers and are more profitable for you than just random products that don't mean anything to your email list. You want to always be growing your email list because without an email list, you don't have a business. Having a list will actually help you with the algorithms because you'll be sending traffic to your offer pages or YouTube videos like this one, and as soon as you release it, people will click over to your content, building instant engagement and views, which increases your credibility and feeds the algorithms. So I hope I've convinced you, especially if you're just getting started, of the importance of growing your email list before worrying about spending lots of time on building a website that maybe not many people will see. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and helped you understand the importance of building an email list when you're just getting started, and the fact that you don't need a website to make money. So let's do a quick recap of the issues that I've highlighted when it comes to building an affiliate website. First was that websites require lots of content and time to get ranked. Second was that websites are not good at generating repeat customers. Third was the misconception that your content lasts forever. And fourth was the hidden cost involved in growing your website. If you want to get the same step-by-step hand-holding tuition that I got to learn how to build an email list and get access to list building strategies that work, then click the link in the description to access my free ebook and get access to a free training all about growing a profitable email list. Thanks for watching today's training. To get the best profitable email list building strategies, click the link in the description and let's get you building your business in the next 30 days. To continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business. so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget, to get started with the best step-by-step list building training, click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.